Document 2. Mitch Landrieu. Mitch Landrieu was the mayor of New Orleans, Louisiana in 2017 when 4 Confederate monuments were removed. The city authorized their removal, but then struggled to find a company that would do the work when those who bid on the contracts received death threats. After the first monument was removed in the middle of the night, Mayor Landrieu made the following speech. This section is an excerpt from his full statement. The soul of our beloved city is deeply rooted in a history that has evolved over thousands of years, rooted in a diverse people who have been here together every step of the way, for both good and for ill. It is a history that holds in its heart the stories of Native Americans, the Choctaw, Hauma Nation, the Chitimacha, of Hernando de Soto, Robert Cavalier, Sieur de la Salle, the Acadians, the Ailenos, the enslaved people from Senegambia, free people from Colorix, the Haitians, the Germans, both the empires of France and Spain, the Italians, the Irish, the Cubans, the South and Central Americans, the Vietnamese, and so many more. We should stop for a moment and ask ourselves, at this point in our history, after Katrina, after Rita, after Ike, after Gustav, after the national recession, after the BP oil catastrophe, and after the tornado, if presented with the opportunity to build monuments that told our story, or to curate these particular spaces, would these monuments be what we want the world to see? Is this really our story? We have not erased history. We are becoming part of the city's history by writing the wrong image these monuments represent and crafting a better, more complete future for all our children and for future generations. And unlike when these Confederate monuments were first erected as symbols of white supremacy, we now have a chance to create not only new symbols, but to do it together as one people. In our blessed land, we all come to the table of democracy as equals. We have to reaffirm our commitment to a future where each citizen is guaranteed the uniquely American gifts of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.